calendar was ours first. Sawubona to you, sawubona to yours, from one great spirit to another. Nginguthulani Malevu. Welcome to Ubizo. This is not entertainment. This is a remembering. This is a return. Before the Gregorian calendar, before the church bell replaced the drum, before we were told that January was the beginning and that the sky god lived far away, we had time. Not just a measure, a rhythm. We followed the moon, we followed the stars, we followed the breath of the earth. Izinyanga guided seasons, izinsuku zikaMvelinqangi aligned with harvests, ukuzalwa, births, deaths, and ceremonies. Our new year, not in winter, not in death, but in spring, when life begins again. September 23rd, the equinox, the spiritual new year, the divine reset. It is the moment where day and night are equal, where balance is restored, where the ancestors whisper, "It is time." Colonization didn't just steal our land, it stole our timing. They introduced a foreign calendar, stripped sacred days and replaced them with holidays, aligned us with their gods, their wars, their economy. Our time was not linear, it was cyclical, spiral, ancestral. In Zulu cosmology, time bends. In many Alkebulan traditions, the past is not behind, it walks beside you. The future is not unknown, it is encoded in your dreams. When they taught us time as a straight line, they erased the circle. And when they erased the circle, they severed us from rhythm. And when they severed the rhythm, they disrupted divine order. But we never lost it all, because grandmothers kept time in lullabies, because initiates still fasted by the moon, because rainmakers still knew when to speak to the sky. The calendar was never paper, it was memory, it was soil, it was gut feeling, it was the rhythm of the drum reminding us you are still on time. And now we rise into divine remembrance, not to mimic the West, but to reclaim the temple of the ancestors. Spring is the new year, the equinox is the throne, the calendar was ours and it still is. So what does it mean to live by our calendar? It means starting anew when the earth begins again anew. It means preparing for birth in September. It means realigning our work, our spirit, and our dreams with the true sacred clock. This isn't just about months, it's about mindset. It's about saying, I will no longer wait for January to become who I already am. I will align with the rhythm of the land, not the deadliness of empire. Let September 23rd be your altar. Let it be your inauguration day, not a resolution, a return. Children of Alkebulan, as the sun sits in perfect balance, so must you. Let go of the colonizer's clock, return to the rhythm within you, prepare your spirit, your altar, your purpose for rebirth. Because September 23rd is not just a date, it is a doorway, it is a drumbeat, it is your divine reminder you are right on time. This is not a show, this is not a podcast, this is not content, this is Ubizo, a call back to self, a return to the rhythm of our people, and this is your new year. From my spirit to yours. Ungaze ulahlekele isikhathi esingcwele. Do not, and I wish that you do not lose sacred time. Ngiyakubonga for listening, ngiyakubonga for remembering, ngiyakubonga for returning. Until next time, okuhle, umusa, kanye nokukhanya ekuhambeni kwakho. Light, blessings, and mercy upon your journey.